Hello guys, I posted this video very late because I had the inconvenience of falling into the void. Yeah, so this fight was God knows how long ago, like, does it say? No, it doesn't. It was about 5 weeks ago, I think. This is the Wither fight on the Realm. I told you I was going to post it. This is from 5 weeks ago, before I fell into the void. So, I'm just going to play the clip and you can watch. But before I do, just for some context, this bit here, the little trench behind the totem, that is where we put our beds and set our respawn point. That is why it says respawn point set. You can only sleep at night and during thunderstorms. So, let's get on with it. Yep, there is a bed. Here we're spawning the Wither here. I was waiting to check that they were ready because it took a while to answer. I just spawn it, run back, get ready. And it does its weird explosion thing, so now is where it starts. Yeah, my aim is rubbish because I keep thinking it'll going to move upwards or to the side or something. But it didn't, so. I was just trying to shoot it as many times as I could. It's super annoying because on Java it just says netherite sword in blue. So that you can, like, and then has the animation thing so you know it's enchanted. But on bedrock, when you hold it, it shows that for like 5 seconds and it really gets in the way and annoys me. Oh yeah, we also did it in the desert because it's a flat space and it's got a lot of, and we needed sand because you know you never know when you're going to need sand. My first melee hit there also destroyed 2 beds, which we were not planning on. People say the bedrock width is hard. It is easy as. I could have beat 3 of them at once on my own. I don't know why my peasant teammates are in diamond. Because, you know, diamonds are for peasants. Aren't they? Boom. Nether star acquired. Now I can reorganise my inventory. And yeah, this is just us picking up the sand, really, this part. Do I have my elytra in my inventory? I don't think I do. Beforehand this fight, I gave them food because these people I'm playing with are 2 years younger than me and very forgetful apparently. Forgot their food. So I had to give them some baked potatoes. And yes, that is it. That's the Wither fight. If you want to see more boss fights, just, I don't know. I've beat the Wither. I've beat the Ender Dragon. I am not fighting a Warden, I can tell you that now. Elder Guardians are just a pain in the butt, so I won't be fighting them. But if you did enjoy that, leave a like, maybe subscribe, I don't know, do whatever the hell you want. But bye.